guys,
guys,
it's
it's
the
the
Loud
Loud
Guys.
Guys. Today we are going to watch US versus India love scenes. So, we know that there is a lot of difference between US and India movie
Yeah.
scenes because I have seen a lot of Bollywood movies, and like we have kind of movies that are like quite emotional, I
Yeah.
would say, and quite dramatic because, of course, it's a Bollywood movie. And if we talk about the movies of the US, so they are more of like, they're like, I would say, they're like very broad minded. They have
Yeah.
shown like a lot of sexual things in that, where
Yes.
like in India we cannot show that. For example, like I know about this 50 shades thing, so there were like
Yeah.
crazy scenes in that movie. So in India we cannot show that scenes here as well, so we have to add like a pinch of drama into it. So in this video we are going to watch the comparison between US versus India, that too in love. So this is going to be very interesting to watch, so let's get into the
Video.
video.
Hmm?
He's Brad Pitt, right?
Yeah.
May I kiss you?
Oh my god, this guy is so hot.
Why, yes, okay.
So Vanshika, do you like clean shaved guys or the beard ones?
I like clean shave guys.
Oh. Oh, she's kissing him. Oh
Yeah.
god. Usually
And
boys initiate
yeah,
such things.
and he just struck. Oh my god, he's not doing
He's not
anything.
even opening his
Yeah,
mouth.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hmm.
Yes. Now. Now.
Wow. What a romantic scene it is. And I'm so much excited to see the Indian version.
It
is
will be
going-
hilarious. to
Obviously, obviously.
watch. Guys, we can't see such things with our parents. No way.
Obviously.
And like I've seen like people kissing each other in front of their kids. Our parents never do such things in front of us.
Yes. And when I was a kid, I used to close my eyes and these kind of scenes used to
Kaveri
come
Amma.
in the screen.
अब
Yeah.
मेरे लिए लड़का देखना बंद कर दीजिए।
Oh.
मैंने फैसला किया है,
Oh,
मैं शादी नहीं करूँगी।
शादी नहीं
Why?
करेगी. She doesn't want to get married.
मैं अपना सारा ध्यान बच्चों की पढ़ाई और स्कूल के विकास में लगाना चाहता
Oh wow.
वो तो ठीक है, लेकिन
हूँ। और वैसे भी मैं अभी शादी के लिए तैयार नहीं
ठीक
हूँ।
है.
He will make her ready maybe. I
Yes.
don't know.
How?
He's Shah Rukh Khan.
How?
जबरदस्त बहाना बनाया
Will he
काफी।
do some romantic stuff?
Yeah.
वैसे भी तुमसे शादी करेगा कौन?
शादी करेगा?
नहीं नहीं, सुंदरता में कोई कमी नहीं है, पर ये नकचड़ापन,
बच्चुला पर?
तर्जन
मुझे सभी
भरोसी,
ओह,
तो दर्शन आदर्श,
Oh.
चलेगा कौन?
Like Hindi is coming out.
Yeah,
अच्छा,
yeah,
बुखार खुद ही
Vanshika.
उतर गया।
Yeah, because we
yeah,
are big Bollywood lovers.
yeah.
How are you feeling?
Okay, USA.
Better.
Oh my
So
god,
what's the
these
plan for
scenes
today?
are so bold.
Well, we can stay here for a bit because they rent DVDs at the front desk.
We didn't come all this way to watch DVDs, Clark.
Is this from Notebook?
Go on,
I don't know.
Helm, vodka and contrasa.
I've seen a lot
Shall
of
have
clips
two,
of this
please.
movie.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Oh wow.
Wow.
Good motion. I want to
Oh
see it.
wow.
Wow, what a beautiful day. Romantic actually.
Oh, this is so good. I just love this view and white
Same.
curtains.
Same.
So good, so good.
Don't go back to your
Wow.
room tonight, Clark.
Hmm.
Oh, she slept next
Wow.
to him. Cute.
Oh,
Cute.
so cute. Oh wow, what a view they have.
Yes.
Crazy.
Wow.
I know. What's next?
Yeah, we all know that. Oh, cute. Oh,
Wow, what a weather. What a
yes.
night. Take me back to the night we met. Wow. So magical. It was not in like a
Okay,
lustful
it's a-
way. It was
yeah.
sweet.
It's a Priti Zinta and Hrithik
Hrithik
Roshan
Roshan.
movie.
Yeah.
जैसे कि साल 2 साल में शादी वादी भी करनी होगी, तो मैं सोच रहा था कि तुमसे
Okay.
बात करूं। अरे शादी के बारे में?
करण, मैं जानती थी कि एक ना एक दिन हम
हाँ।
शादी की बात करेंगे,
हाँ.
मगर ये बात तुम ऐसे
Oh.
ये नहीं
Yeah.
Yeah, he just directly
This is
said
not the
that.
way.
हाँ,
थोड़ी तो रोमांटिक हो
obviously.
सकते हो।
He didn't propose her.
कि मैं एक फूल लेकर आऊं।
Yeah.
Yes, obviously with flower,
Yes,
with
and kneel
ring,
down and
obviously.
propose. Blah.
Blah.
And blah.
It's not blah blah blah.
He doesn't
Yeah,
like it. He's
yeah.
very straightforward.
Yes, that's gross.
Oh,
And oh my God.
I've seen this movie. Wow. He's
Oh.
Dasman. Oh, yes. Hacksaw
Oh my
Ridge.
God.
Yes, yes, yes.
Oh,
From this
oh,
movie.
she
Oh,
slapped
God.
him.
You know, in that movie, they just met for like the
Yeah.
second or the third time, and he kissed her.
Yes.
God. Ooh.
She liked it. Yeah, she liked it.
Yeah.
She invited him at her place.
Oh, wow. This is a nice place.
Yeah, obviously.
You ain't gonna slap me.
Now you will not slap me.
Kiss me and find out.
Cute.
Oh, wow.
Wow, these scenes are so,
So good.
romantic. Yeah.
Oh,
Wow, cute.
What a
Kitty.
place, man.
Yeah.
Above the mountains. Oh, Sher Shah.
बहुत हो गई dating setting,
Yeah.
शादी करते हैं।
Let's get married.
Yeah. Mostly Indian man's concern is to get married, which is also good
Yeah,
because
this
they
is
want
so
to
good actually.
spend their whole life with their partner.
Hmm.
Wow, cute.
Okay.
This is so cute.
That was
okay.
so instant.
Yeah.
क्यों है? चलना,
Lollipop.
चलना।
Oh wow.
नाटक बंद कर इतने लोग हैं यहाँ पे तुझे दिखाई नहीं दे रहा।
मुझे कुछ दिखाई नहीं दे।
Ah, this guy is so
मैं उस
cute.
जिंदगी की जो मैंने
Actually,
So cute.
सब कुछ तो जान लिया तूने मेरे बारे में।
wow.
जैसा
Guys, after this movie, they're married
Yeah.
like for the real life. They get
Yes.
married to each other.
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah, and
Oh,
now they
Titanic.
have a kid.
Oh, yes. Vanshika, have you watched Titanic?
No, I have not.
You should watch. It's very beautiful.
Okay, I'll definitely watch. But I have seen many clips on Instagram,
Yeah.
like especially this pose.
Yeah, the
Like,
great Titanic
yeah,
pose.
this pose is very famous.
And she was so scared
Oh.
at that time. And that iconic Titanic BGM.
Yeah.
Mm.
Wow.
Wow.
Oh my
I could
god.
feel what she's feeling.
Yeah, actually. So cute.
Wow.
So cute. Wow.
Oh.
They are so cute. Oh my god, these kind of things are missing in the Bollywood.
Yeah.
Mostly Indian movies are more focused on the tradition, culture, family values.
Yeah.
खाना पका लेती हूँ धागे से कुर्ते पर मोर पोपट बना लेती हूँ गरम रोटी से इस्त्री भी कर सकती हूँ
Oh.
चोपड़ी पड़ी हो भाई बहनों में सबसे बड़ी अब देखने में शायद खास नहीं हो पर दूसरी बात मुझसे अच्छी कोई कैसे मिलेगी ना
Ooh.
आपको भी?
नहीं मतलब
Ah.
पर दिल साफ अच्छा सो बात नहीं
Oh my god, just
She's
I love her
Gujarati.
Gujarati accent. Yeah.
जी कहते हैं कि हाथ में दिया लेकर ढूंढने पर भी पूरी ज्ञाति में कर संदास से बड़ा
Oh, here the girl is proposing the guy.
क्या मान सकता है ना इसे
आप करेंगे उससे शादी? She's saying,
Oh, she's asking for the
yeah,
marriage.
yeah.
शादी शादी मामा मासी का तो फर्क है अच्छा चलो शादी के बदले शादी बोलूं तो करेंगे शादी
हाँ कि हाँ, yes sir, yes. Cute.
This is so sweet. Say yes.
Wow, what a cute video it was. seriously, it would be wrong to say that I love the Hollywood or not the Bollywood, because they all represent their tradition culture in the same way. Mostly, we all know that in India they focus more on their traditions, value, culture, and in Indian society, like the main concern is to get married. It's like in India, we didn't find living relationship good, or even relationship like we didn't find it good. So the main concern is to get married, and the way these guys were proposing the girl was so cute. That, but the thing is, I didn't like that Hrithik Roshan part. Like he was very not
Yeah.
shy. He didn't like the concept of proposing someone. So he said that I don't like this kind of things, blah blah. But on the other side, Bollywood one was so bold, and they were showing these the romance, actual romance. So yeah, I definitely enjoy both the video, and yeah, but Indian one was also very cute, especially the last clip where this Gujarati women were proposing this guy, and she was like, "Will you marry me?" And she pronounced the marriage wrong, so he corrected him. He corrected her. So she was like, same thing, so will you marry me now? And he was like, okay, I'll marry you.
Oh wow, this was such a sweet video to watch. And yes, in India, like the concern is the marriage only. Like even
Yeah,
in our like culture, we just prioritize the marriage. Like if you like someone, just take your time, talk to each
yeah,
other, but the intention should be of the marriage. And I'm a very old
yeah.
school type, and somewhere I
Same.
just support this thing because if you love someone, you want to spend your like whole life with that person. I think so Bollywood that just shows the same thing we saw. And also this thing I found like very interesting in like Bollywood videos, that all the guys are like very unserious. I mean, they are like very certain with the
Hmm.
marriage, they have to marry. But this proposal thing and this flower thing and
Yeah,
this and that was like very weird. And Hrithik Roshan was very nonchalant, and I just don't like nonchalant guys. There should be
same.
a little bit romantic, they should be a little bit sweet. This was very interesting and sweet video. Which one do you like? Please let us know in the comment section below. So do like, share and subscribe.
Subscribe. Bye.
Bye.